Le akusi conspiracy yenze Elon Musk lento yakhe neurovirus or ne microchip.
Yeah, my chip.
Yeah, fucking microchip ungakho umuntu wakho isebenza fast. My father.
But the SD card you can tell.
Why are you surprised, dog? Me, like,
No, like my father,
I wouldn't do that, dog.
I wouldn't.
Same reason why I didn't take the fucking coronavirus, the Pfizer and the what's.
Because my bag, even it's really relevant, man.
That's what. Tell me I'm human, then I'll die human, down. That's what. Yeah, I was born a human being. That's all I know. I'm a human being.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ogunye, Enye, fuck.
Yeah, I'm not ready to die, dog.
I found no one is, though.
I don't want to remember everything, dog. Let me forget the shit I want to forget. And God now help me forget the shit that I'm supposed to forget, dog. I'm not supposed to remember everything, dog. That's all.
Mara, are you saying you're not ready to die?
Dog, let me tell you, dog, God is the last assistant, and so
yeah.
Already we're forgetting the
He's the Alpha, he's the Omega.
Yeah. God and Danga is the last one is on court because of this fucking technology. That's what I'm saying.
Then these days, lately, nothing should be a surprise.
The way I'm a movie. Actually, what's in a your experience as a remember Danga Tina Silly generation then shoots you with 15 Danga with the fucking 80s.
The past and the present.
That's what. Then it comes very it's okay. Yeah, we even know the 90s.
90s.
Now it's the 2000s. Social media figure you remember that the first WhatsApp name?
They know.
Yeah, it was mixes.
Yeah.
Like mix it. Yeah, it's all like that. So
hey, we grew up with this.
I feel like we are the last human beings.
I'm sure you probably forgot about that.
I don't know if it makes sense. When the last,
it makes sense, but I don't want to be the last dog.
Now we are the last generation.
Up until maybe 28.
I'll put a creature like
the
shit that we know, dog. The shit that we've experienced in Tina. That's what Tina's coolest like is 18 machita. Like having toys was a luxury.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. Until you had toys, until you had a PlayStation, until like all these experiences, like, experiences new.
All at once.
Yeah, so and in different generations. So when I show to petty intel, so you're gonna be that cool. You know, you're going to be cool, but you're cool at the very same time.
16 you're
going to be that cool that was Jordan's.
Yeah.
With the
I wouldn't mind. Yeah. Got that ice.
Got the ice dripping and shit.
Think I'm a false, but the ice style.
Just so this nigga has been bimbing English.
True. I'm a false.
I'm a ice false.
I'm a sauce.
I'm a sauce.
They say I got that drip, I got that sauce.
I got that sauce. That sauce is making me saucy.
Joe. Alright. You gotta be resilient in Sabine, Joe. It shows Gucci. Alright. Now, umuntu ofuna ukufa tamuyakulela. Uyakulela.
No, okay. Don't be scared of death.
Yeah. Acknowledge death, yeah. Hey, you've been saying that, though.
You're ready, dog. Mama gotta be ready. Yeah, but it's like a nigga now trying to kill you and you fighting him.
And then never being ready is the right time.
Yeah. But it's like, don't be scared of it, dog. Like, Max Sam, man. That shit exists, man. It's always there, dog. It's like, anything can happen. A straight bullet can hit you, dog.
And you dead. And you died happy, dog.
You know, like, I'm always thinking that about other people, but I've never thought about that myself.
Make sure you die happy, dog. Die satisfied. It's okay, Fede. Maybe I might not have that house, that car, but you know what? Yeah.
I would say I'm afraid of death. I'm just afraid of the afterlife.
Trejo Tebujo from Turf Loop.
but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung